Welcome to A Thorny Pot, a channel dedicated to the joy of growing your own food. This video should let you know why you're here and whether this is the right place for you. I set up this channel so I could build a community of humans who all share a desire to grow their own food. Some may be experts already who can share their experience with us, but most are just starting or have only dipped their toe into this wonderful world. This channel aims at taking the fear out of growing fruits and vegetables and won't be afraid to show its mistakes. I'm not an expert, nor are the vast majority of us, and that's okay, so long as we're all learning and getting better each time. The content of the channel will be in three main styles. Firstly, a monthly video showing what can be started or harvested in this month, and then any other tasks which should be considered. 2. My growing diaries, which are videos showing the complete life cycle of a specific fruit or veg, from sowing to harvesting. And lastly, a compilation of clips and photos from the community. This could be showing off a particularly large marrow or a garden tour. It's a chance for you to have your say, to ask questions or just say hello. Why did I set up the channel? And that's a tough question. So why did I shoot myself in the foot by writing it? Okay, if this channel helps just one person to grow a meal, save a little money, or even just nurture a single herb, then it's worth it. I love gardening, and I want everyone to have the chance to love it too. Now, if this sounds like it's something that would bring you joy, I hope you'll join the community. I have a Patreon page for those who'd like to support the channel, where you can give a little to fund my dangerous tea drinking habits, a little more to submit your own videos, or a little more still to be lifted on our shoulders and paraded through the streets with bells and whistles. This won't actually happen, you do get a tote bag and a special thank you instead. I look forward to seeing you in the comments and sharing on this journey with you. Thank you for your time and happy growing.